York's Court of Appeals rejects President-elect Trump's request to delay his sentencing in the alleged hush money case. The state's highest court released a brief order today declining to grant Trump's legal team a hearing on the issue. However, the ruling may ultimately be moot, as Trump has already sought the Supreme Court's intervention before Friday's scheduled sentencing. Trump's attorneys are asking the justices to block his sentencing, warning it possesses a grave injustice and harm to the institution of the presidency. Here's One America's Daniel Baldwin.
Facing a time crunch, the Trump legal team filed a petition with the United States Supreme Court asking the High Court to stop the president-elect's scheduled sentencing Friday in his New York criminal hush money trial. New York Judge Juan Merchan had set the sentencing for Friday, January 10th, just 10 days before Trump would be inaugurated as the 47th President of the United States.
I mean, we have a judge in New York who's a very crooked judge. I'm under a gag order. I can't even talk about aspects of the case that are the most vital aspects. I'm under a gag. Do you know that I'm the President-elect of the United States of America?
Trump spokesperson Stephen Chung released a statement saying, quote, "The Supreme Court's historic decision on immunity, the Constitution, and established legal precedent mandate that this meritless hoax be immediately dismissed."
You're going to have to give the president, you're going to have to allow a president, any president, to have immunity so that that president can act and do what he feels and what his group of advisors feel is the absolute right thing. Otherwise, you're going to have presidents that are totally impotent.
In the petition, Trump's attorneys argue that Trump is, quote, entitled to an automatic stay of criminal proceedings, while his claims of presidential immunity from criminal prosecution are addressed on interlocutory appeal to New York's appellate courts and, if necessary, this court. In SCOTUS's prior presidential immunity decision, the High Court held that presidential immunity protects against the evidentiary use of official acts against a president in criminal proceedings. The Trump legal team argued that New York prosecutors erroneously did just that. They claim the evidence included President Trump's tweets on his official account and testimony from close White House advisors, including Communications Director Hope Hicks, among other things. Trump's team also asserts presidential immunity should shield a president-elect from prosecution. The Supreme Court requested that New York prosecutors file a written response by Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Judge Juan Merchan previously indicated he would not seek a prison sentence, but pursue an unconditional discharge. But the Trump team highlighted that imprisonment is certainly a possibility. No matter the outcome, President-elect Trump will be sworn in on January 20th as the 47th President of the United States. Daniel Baldwin, One America News, the White House.
For all our viewers asking where One America News is heading in the future, we would like to introduce you to OAN Live. OAN Live is the best way to stay up to date on all of the hard-hitting, straight-shooting, national and international headlines. And the best part is, OAN Live is only $4.99 per month. All the credible, honest, unbiased reporting One America News offers at a fraction of the cost of cable. Just go to OANN.com to easily sign up for OAN Live and stay informed.